Hello everyone, welcome to the Akash tutorials. So today we will learn about between and in operator in our lecture. So let us start the lecture. So dear, as you can see, I'm having a table which is employee. So I'll just show you. Select star from employee. So I'm having employee ID, employee name, department, salary, hire date, and city. So this is the record of all the employees. Now suppose I want to see the record of those employees, those who are working as manager or as clerk in my company. So we have already covered OR operator, logical OR operator. So the query has to be select star from employee where department is equal to manager or department is equal to clerk. So this is how we can achieve our result. Now you can see here I have got 4 records where the department either they are clerk or they are manager. But there's one problem actually. If you have many more constraints, then this query will be lengthy. Right? For example, if I want to see the record of employees where employee is manager or if the manager is clerk or he is in sales department, then I have to write down that many or clauses. So which makes our query very lengthy. So to shorten that, we have one more operator, which is you can say an equivalent to OR operator, which is your in operator. So the same query can be written like select star. Of course, instead of star, you can take your required fields also from employee where department in. So here I will not use department equal to, I will use rather a keyword in, and simply I will write down those values. If they are text value, of course I will write down them in single quotes and comma then the second value. Now you can see I have shortened my query, so and I will get the same result. So here I have to write down OR operator and the column name again and again. Here I have just written column name once. With the help of in clause, I simply separate those values with the comma. So this is how you can run your in clause. Suppose I can give you one more example. Suppose I want to see where the salary is 18,000 or employees those who are having salary 20,000. So remember, we cannot give the range, we have to give the exact values only. So simply here I can write down where salary in. So I can write down the specific values whose record you want to say. The employees whose salary is 25,000. So employees whose value is 18,000, or if you want to write down more, so you can write down any value 20,000. So now you can see records of those employees whose value is 25,000 or whose value is whose salary is 18,000 or 20,000 will be in front of you. This is how you can use in operator. So second one is the between clause. How we can use the between clause? It is the equivalent of and operator. Now for example, whose actually salary is between 18,000 to 20,000, I want to see those records, or whose salary is 15,000 to 20,000 including both values. So my query will be select star from employee where salary is greater than equal to 15,000 and salary is less than equal to 20,000. So you can see the answer will come. Remember, the between clause includes these values, so that's why I have taken, we can achieve the same result by using between clause. So I can write down where salary between, now 15,000, and I need not to write on this column again, simply 20,000, that's it. So this is the syntax. Select star from employee where salary between 15,000 and 20,000. So between clause is basically used where you have to, get the result from a particular range, first of all, and keep it in your mind that it will include these two value also, means those record will also come where salary is 15,000 and salary is 20,000. So this is the equivalent of AND operator. I hope you understand this session, this lecture. If you like the session, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.